Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to review Taplio. Taplio is a tool that helps you leverage AI to grow on LinkedIn. In other words, use AI to grow on LinkedIn. It helps you get more reach, engagement and followers in 10 minutes per day. And these are all big creators from Justin Welch to all the Easy, and I recognize a few. Yes, so all these big creators have endorsed it. This is Justin Welch, this is Isabel Aves. Okay. The reason I'm reviewing it, some of our community members, they asked whether they should use it or not. If you use it on per month basis, it costs you $65 per month, $39 per month, or $199 per month, depending on the package you use. This package is not worth paying $39. I am on this package trying this out. That is $65 per month, and it has AI-powered content and chat assistant, relationship builder, and team features. So let's jump into Taplio and see whether you should use it or not. But before that, let me tell you a bit about me and what makes me a good person to review it, and should you believe what I say or not. So my name is Imran Kushal. I run a personal branding agency based out of Dubai. I help people win on LinkedIn. We run this private community called Branding Community, and here we have about 40 members who are CEOs, founders, coaches, and in this community we have tons of resources that we share, and it costs $9 per month. And obviously, some members from here, they requested if I could review Taplio for them and see whether they should use it or not. So that's enough about me. Now let's go to Taplio. By the way, when you have the Taplio extension installed, this is how your content will look like. On the right sidebar, you will get Taplio extension working, and it will show you your the key indicators plus your follower growth here and your best performing posts here, right? When you open Taplio, it will take you to its dashboard, and here are a couple of features that we will talk about one by one, and whether you should pay $65 per month for them or not, right? Okay, let me close this extension, this one. Maybe I'll do a review about this someday. This is a cool extension, but now I have closed those and now good. Okay, so the first feature is the scheduling feature. So you get a scheduling feature when you create a new piece of content within LinkedIn, right? You create a post. It tells you you can schedule it. For instance, hello LinkedIn, right? So you can schedule it using built-in scheduling feature. So this is not something groundbreaking or something you should pay $65 for. Or you can use a third-party free app that is like Publer. I use Publer because it lets you integrate 3 accounts, and you can schedule a decent number of content posts per week, per month. So for instance, I have this here. So I have like hello LinkedIn, and I can schedule it from here, see, all the way up to maybe next August. This is August, right? Okay, so I can schedule it for Feb 17th, 2028. So this is a really cool free app that you can use instead of this feature. So the point is, this feature alone does not worth $65 per month. Now let's talk about other features. This is statistics. If you are into statistics, want to see what post performed really well, what does not so or did not, so you can use it, stats, right, or share stats publicly, but again, this is something that is built in LinkedIn, and you can use LinkedIn Analytics. Most people use Taplio for viral content, and that is these are posts from different creators, and it curates them in a way that you can use them and make them your own. It takes some time, so let it download or fetch these posts. In the meantime, let's review another feature of Taplio. That is, using Taplio, you can actually comment on other people's content or reply to your comments on your own content. For instance, I posted something earlier, and it got 3 comments here. And let's say I want to reply to this one. It right here, this lightning icon, it's Taplio. You can add value, congratulate, or say thank you. Very limited options, but see what happens when you do it. So I chose say thank you, and see it wrote, thanks, Abbas, noticed the formatting mention. Okay, this is not helpful. Let's say I add value, and thanks, Abbas, noticed the formatting mention. This is the previous one. Okay, here, Abbas, thanks for noticing the formatting of the post. Visual presentation is key in making content engaging. Have you experimented with different formats to see what works best for your audience? It's good, but it's kind of personality-less. I don't talk like this. I don't feel like it's personalized, or it looks generic, right? It doesn't feel like me. So for instance, here's, Abbas, your recognition of the formatting means a lot. Thank you. This is not good. I won't recommend using these three kind of built-in AI responses to anyone who comments on your content. Rather, I will show you a way cooler and very personalized way of commenting on other people's content, and that should be somewhere here. But let's just talk about Taplio. So okay, we're back in post inspirations. Okay, and here you can click on, let's say, any of these tabs, right? Any of these posts, and make it your own. This one got like 100k likes. So this one got 360, 135. Okay, this one got 2,500 likes, right? So let's steal this one. Basically, that's what it is. It's literally stealing other people's content. Okay, see, it says too similar. So for instance, if I go here, copy the entire post, go here back to my personalized GPT and say, make a template of it, and then write a post for me. And then I paste it here. Okay. So it's basically try caffeine naps. Wait until, okay, let me say too similar and try. Okay, it's revising. Okay, so you basically stole someone's idea and you are good to go. See, you're good to go. Even with the template, example, blah, 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 here you are good to go. So you basically rephrased what someone said, what someone might have experienced, spend an hour on writing that piece of content, and you just rephrase it with AI and you are all good to post it or queue it. So that's not cool. This was a big turnoff for me, that this is clearly plagiarism, right? So, and this is the reason I am just going to cancel my subscription. Okay. Then they have, what they have? Okay, they have outreach, for instance, and based on this, no person added here. You can add people based on, let's say, add from list, add a specific account, or you can add import people from Sales Navigator, or you can do what, let's say here, I have first degree, second degree connection, or let's say, let me go to another post I did earlier. This one, for instance, okay? And here people are asking me to send them the community link, for instance, right? I'll go here, grab this post link, get a copy, and let me go to the right Taplio, okay? Import people from a specific post here, and people who like this post or replies. I am going with like, okay? So it's going to fetch all those people who liked my content, this post, all these content, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. It's going to fetch them. See, these are 7 people, add them, and now I can send them a message, but I can only send them a message if they are my first degree connection. See, you can send up to 100 DMs a day with Taplio. This quota is common for auto DMs and bulk DMs. So the problem is though, see here, LinkedIn will only allow you to send messages to your first degree connection, so you will not be able to message someone you are not connected to send messages to second degree connection or more. Use premium emails. So again, this is something that LinkedIn does not allow you. It's breach of the contract that you sign when you sign up on LinkedIn, and it's basically automation. I know a lot of people are using it, big influencers. You comment on their post, and then you instantly get a message. A lot of people using this or similar platforms to send you messages, but this is against LinkedIn's policies. So I'm not going to try it. Never did. So okay, that feature is done. So we are going to do one more feature, and then I'm going to give my verdict on it. This feature is called Engage. So Engage feature is basically, okay, so it shows you very high performing content. This got 1K, this got 3K, this got 28K. And if I type anything here, great post or something, and I hit reply, it will comment on this person's post, right? And they perhaps they have the AI added to this package up here. So if you pay them about $200 per month, you might get AI writing content comments for you. But again, if you can write comment here, why can't you just go and connect with people on LinkedIn and comment on their content here? For instance, here, you can follow these people and comment on their content here. So guys, my verdict on Taplio is I don't feel like I should use it, right? Though it has this, it lets you send messages. It's cool, but it's against LinkedIn's policy. So I am going to cancel my subscription. Actually, I was on a trial, and I'm going to cancel it. I don't know how to do it, but let's wait. So invite account setting. Okay, disconnect. I can disconnect my LinkedIn. Okay, disconnect it, and I can connect it back. Okay, share your account, full access, delete my account, but it won't billing here. So update your plan, invoice, cancel subscription. I'm going to cancel it. Hopefully they won't charge me. And let me cancel, please. Now. Yeah, cancel and delete my account. Actually, I clicked on the wrong button here. Cancel and delete my account. Okay, would you prefer switching to starter plan instead? Okay, now it's giving me some discount, upselling, and I'm going to say no, thank you, decline offer. Missing feature, budget, no longer needed, technical issue, other. Okay, maybe. Another upsell. Done. So I can go to my extensions here and remove this as well. Here. So remove from Chrome. Okay. It's still showing my account here. General. I need to delete my account. Confirm. And okay, we are out of Taplio now. So that's it. That's it, everyone. This is my honest review of Taplio. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you. That's for you to judge. But it's not for me. So that's why I just deleted my Taplio account. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in next video that is going to be about something else. I don't know. So stay tuned. Bye bye.